Can I add email to my domain? Later on GoDaddy. Yes, you can add an email address to your domain on GoDaddy at any time, even after purchasing the domain. GoDaddy offers several email hosting options, including Microsoft 365 email. Here's how you can set it up. 1. Purchase an email plan. Log in. Sign in to your GoDaddy account. Go to Email and Office. From the My Products page, find the Email and Office section. Click Get Started or Add Email. Select a plan. Choose a suitable email plan. Purchase. Complete the checkout process. 2. Set up your email account. Go to My Products. After purchasing, navigate to My Products. Find your email plan. Locate the email service you bought. Click Manage. Start the email setup process. Create your email address. Enter your preferred email address. Set a password. Create a secure password for your email account. 3. Connect your email to your domain. If your domain is registered with GoDaddy, the email setup will link automatically. If your domain is hosted elsewhere, you'll need to update your domain's MX records to point to GoDaddy's email servers.